Also this, moments ago, breaking at the Supreme Court, the justices there have issued a decision on Tennessee's ban on sex reassignment medical care for minors. The Supreme Court upholding the Tennessee law that bans certain types of gender-affirming care. Let's bring in Shannon Bream on this. Shannon, it's the first time really that the High Court is considering this type of care or restrictions on this type of care for children in America.
Yeah, and this has been one of the most watched cases of the entire term because there are many other states that also have some kind of limit or ban on trans treatment for minor children. So this has gotten a ton of attention, and essentially the court's ruling 6-3. There are concurrences and breaks here and there, but the majority opinion says this. They says this case carries with it the weight of fierce scientific and policy debates about the safety, efficacy, and propriety of medical treatments in the evolving field. They say there are a lot of different studies out there. They came up during arguments, some of them saying other countries have limited or backed off these treatments for minors, but they say that's not our place, our decision to make, but essentially says our role is not to judge the wisdom, fairness, or logic of the law, but just to ensure that it does not violate the equal protection guarantee of the 14th Amendment. They said this law survives that scrutiny. So essentially concluding that it does, we leave questions of policy to the people, their elected representatives, and the democratic process, essentially saying Tennessee has passed this law. We're not going to step in.